How much do you think you'll get for MSTs?
100!
100! 100! 100! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Like that.
Oh, yes!
Yes.
Hey.
We're at Vivo City and we're buying food.
Yes.
Picnic! Yes.
Hey.
Yay! Chloe! We're going beach now. We're waiting for the tram.
I'm going to beach.
Oh, you're going to fish. What do you mean? You knew that. I'm not a fish. I only fished once in my life. Once. I fished once in my life. It's the fish. We're fishing.
We're on the tram right now.
Yay.
We're on the tram. Can't see shit. Anyways.
She like it like.
At the beach.
Slay.
Food.
No, I'm not taking it. Yeah. I'm gonna drink it.
Hi.
Oh no. I zoom in.
100. What's that? It's a Ray parody. 100.
How much do you think you'll get for MSTs?
100.
100! 100! 100!
I just want to pass.
Yeah, I also want to pass it.
Times she said I'm going to kill.
Cute, I'm going.
Outside view.
Why is Cat like that? Cat, stay like that!
Hi. Who are you waving at? See, I tell you, the peacock can fly one.
Where? Oh god damn, your ass looks amazing.
Chloe. Iris. Get.
Oh, so cute!
This very cute picture of Isla.
So cute!
Oh my god, wait, it's legit like twinkling on the camera.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe.
I did put the vlog on YouTube.
Okay, wait. But then it ended up uploading on Instagram there.
Yeah. Oh my god, you can actually see the stars on the camera.
Video.
Continue airdropping from your phone to my phone. Thank you. So how good?
Iris. 10. 10. 10. Chloe. Say bye.
Bye bye.
We're going back now. We were sitting there for so long, and then we realized that the shuttle bus was suspended. How do you feel after sitting there for 20 whole minutes?
20 minutes is fine, as long as it's not 1 hour.
Ada said she was gonna leave first, but we packed up and caught up to her.
Because the thing is, right, I don't want to walk alone. Like this.
Okay, that's true, that's true. It's kind of
Anyways,
creepy.
the walk is like 37 minutes by the way.
Hi, it's not. We got walk from all the way to the back before. Like that.
Yes!
I saw no difference.
I know, they look so identical.
Now he's thinking about me.
Oh my god, he is giving that.
I guess. Hey Hector. Hey, you're my real grandpa, right? He's my real grandpa.
What?
He's my real grandpa, right?
Is he?
Yeah. Oi, Karina, why are you laughing at people die?
They all die from COVID, and the family is reunited in heaven.
That was so lame, Karina. You did nothing.
Yeah, you didn't do anything.
That's good for you.
Okay.
I was stealing from my older brother. I will get whooping you. Really? He's 24.
Okay, I have to defend my brother younger than me.
Do you want to be in my vlog?
Hi vlog!
Hi.
It's what are we doing today?
We're going to Peranakan Museum.
Yes, it's
actually fun.
Yeah, it's student exchange club heritage trail thing.
Cultural walk.
Oh, cultural walk. Yeah, that's what it is. Nope. Okay.
I look
Now it's
Does
recording.
anyone have an umbrella?
Hello.
We're gonna make a ball.
We're at. Oh, I feel the water is not.
No, it's a rainbow.
Oh my god, rainbow! Fuck, it's all over my camera. Oh my god, you can see the rainbow on the camera. Okay, we're at Marina Bay now. Okay, am I stabbing you?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the medley of emotions.
We're waiting for Singh. We're gonna go to Woodlands Pasaman. Is she on this train? I don't think so. Okay, whatever. No, you look fine, Singer. We see Singer after so long. We're going to Woodlands on the train. Yay. I already said that. Oops. Yay, this looks really good. We're going to we're going to Gardens by the Bay. Yes.
Oh my days. Oh, freak my hair. What in the world? Sorry.
She looked emo there for a second. I'm gonna put the picture next to it. Oh, I'm super full. They're starting to smell. It's so cool. It smells a bit like insect repellent. A giant pesticide cloud. You mean they're poisoning us? Okay, sure, I guess. It is actually cool. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. What the fuck?
Oh, I didn't know it was so dull.
It's quite low.
That side has more, by the way.
Oh wait, look, the background looks so nice like this.
Wow.
That scared me. Sing it. Sing it.
Shit, I look horrible.
Sing it.
Hi. I don't think you can see anything with the Polaroid though.
Okay, finally. Why are you never looking at the camera?
I'm looking now.
We're going to go to the food court in Marina Bay because it's the cheapest place here.
Holy shit, what?
Eyelid! I don't know, you can see just now. Yay. We're at Gastro Beats. I have, wait. We're at Gastro Beats. Singer just devoured her entire drink.
I'll be back again at 10 p.m. for another set. So you guys have been awesome. Stick around for another set of music for all of you.
The guy is singing really good songs. That's why we haven't left.
Did you say Bruno Mars?
I don't know.
Let's go. It's not even alcohol, guys.
Whoa! No, you should have put it down like that before, you know.
Okay, done.
We're like sitting out at Marina Bay, like outside outside Gastro Beats. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So yeah, you're really tall.
Okay, bye.
This is a bit scary. Hey, y'all should look behind and say hi.
your likes.
She is skating.
I said we're skating.
She's skating. Her and Karina are skating. Where me and Butler are cycling. Oh my god. Wait.
Girl,
wait,
Did your camera capture it? It's not the best. Wait, did you change camera?
It's the same camera.
Always the same.
Looks different. Is it a video?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
There's like a rainbow thingy in that cloud.
Oh, I can see.
I'll never know if we can see it.
Oh. I already filmed.
My butt hurts.
She fell 2 times.
Yeah, it hurts.
She was saying something.
Cheese.
Bro, I thought you had something legit to say. She was like, she, and then you pointed the camera away, so I thought you had something legit to say. She's like, cheese!
You're gonna fall back.
I'm alive. What are you?
A skater. A professional skater. Like, who's a professional skater? No one. I'm just a moderate. What's that word? Amateur skater. I skate for fun.
But Sana claims she's a professional.
And it's so hot. My bandage is peeling off.
Nobody cares.
So if the lightning comes our way, we'll go to you. If you are the tallest in the area.
Yeah.
No? I thought it just hits the tree first.
No, it hits the tallest object.
So it's the fucking tree. I'm not getting lucky by lightning today.
I'm this entire argument, by the way.
Oh, right. That's what you've been on wire. No, you provide earthing. Do I get a warning sign from that? So I can quickly lie down.
Guys, can we just say like a hello? Wow.
Let's stay here for a while. Sure.
It's gonna rain. The weather's finally nice, but we gotta stop.
Guys, we are cooling down.